OEMTOOLS double flaring toolkit makes single or double flares on soft steel, brass, copper, and aluminum tubing. It adds a professional look when replacing brake lines or transmission cooling lines, which is hard to do without this tool because finding the correct length steel line is nearly impossible. The kit comes with various size adapters. Let's get started. Cut the tubing to the desired length using a tubing cutter. Remove any burrs on the cut end of the tube. Loosen the wing nuts and insert the tube in the appropriate opening of the clamp. Using the correct size adapter, place it upside down beside the protruding end. Let the end of the tubing protrude from the clamp to match the thickness of the large part of the adapter. Tighten the wing nuts. The two halves of the tool should be parallel to each other as you tighten. Turn the adapter over. Apply brake fluid for lubricant and insert into the tube. Place the flaring tool on the tubing clamp. Make sure the screw point is centered on the adapter and the flaring tool is locked on the clamp. Turn the screw clockwise until the adapter bottoms out. Loosen the screw and remove the adapter. The tubing end should have a bubble look. Position the flaring tool with the point entering the tubing end and centered. Turn the screw clockwise and tighten until the cone is bottomed out completely. Remove the flaring tool and inspect the tubing end. The flare should be even all the way around with no cracks or gaps.